camera. Yeah. Hello, people. My name is Jamie Valerie. Welcome back to another Sir Carry 45-6 episode. As today, we're going to be doing the casing of two movies that I bought are Toy Story 4 and then also The Secret Life of Pets 2. And I bought these two movies at Walmart, and they're $20 each. So I bought them, and I did buy my knife with me. Yeah. So let's go ahead and then unbox Toy Story 4 first. So now let's get into it. All right, so Toy Story 4 was actually one of the hilarious movies I've ever saw at theaters last year. And not only does it include the DVD, it includes digital code and Blu-ray. So that means I get 2 extra rather than just the DVD, which they only include in the 2000s. Yeah. And that's the front, featuring some characters. The side here said Disney Pixar, Toy Story 4. And then on the other side, basically the same. And then that's the back of it, as you can see. And yeah, let's go ahead and open them up. And there's and the stickers won't be on here if I do a giveaway, so I think I might upload the giveaway sometime. Put in that bag over there. Alright, so inside I have been reading my digital movie code, which I'm not going to show that on camera. And then on the back, of course, say get more with your digital movie code. And that means you can watch it on your TV, your computer, tablet, and on your phone. And then here are some discs inside here. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the Blu-ray feature film, and I love the artwork. Feature Woody, Buzz, Bo, and then can't remember what that tiny doll toy is. And then behind the feature film disc, there is a bonus Blu-ray disc over here. So that means you get bonus features. Yeah, these are the two types of Blu-ray movies are inside there. And then last but not least, on the other side, features Disney DVD on there, which features 4K. And yeah, sorry. And it's rated G for general audiences, which means everyone is welcome to watch it. And then, yeah. Alright, so that's it for Toy Story 4 Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code unboxing. And now, last but not least, let's get into The Secret Life of Pets 2. I absolutely love that movie. The first one was absolutely hilarious and way fun, and yeah. And not only does it include Blu-ray, it also includes DVD and digital code. And then that's the side of the case over here. And then on the back, from the creators of Despicable Me, and featuring Snowball in his superhero costume, and includes digital code, which you can watch on TV, the computer, tablet, and on your phone. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. Oh. Did I just make this worst? Oh no. Wow, plastics are getting me off today, folks. Double plastic. I should have bought Jumanji the Next Level on Blu-ray, like I saw at Shoppers, and here goes. Alright, inside we do get another digital code, which I'm not going to show on camera. And on the back says, bring home more community. There are some movies on Blu-ray, DVD, and digital HD or code. So we do have so that's what it looks like on the inside of the blue case. You did get the Blu-ray feature film. And then last but not least, on the other side features the DVD video. And yeah. So that's it for both uncasing of these two movies right here. Toy Story 4 and Secret Life of Pets 2. So I'm gonna put them on that shelf over here for now. And that is gonna wrap up today's episode. I hope you people enjoyed that video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and then you can comment down below what else would you like to see next. So without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!